In recent years, China has been experiencing rapid urban growth, which has attracted Western architects to the country. They have been given the opportunity to bring their most unconventional fantasies in the field of construction into reality. Moreover, this has led to the emergence of a class of local architectural creatives who are also eager to showcase their talents and fully realize their creative potential. Buildings of unusual forms have become a significant problem in China. Recently, the chairman of the People's Republic of China expressed his concerns about the undesirability of continuing to construct buildings similar to the ones we will show you today. We present to you the 10 most unusual buildings constructed in China in recent years. Let's start our selection of unusual Chinese buildings with a structure called the Ring of Life. The Ring of Life is located in the city of Fushun, which is part of the Chinese province of Liaoning. This construction truly resembles a huge ring, beautifully illuminated during the nighttime. Its outer radius measures 170 meters, while the inner radius is 150 meters. There are observation decks at the top, providing views of the bay. To create such a stunning landmark that would attract even more tourists to the city, about 3,500 tons of steel and $16 million were needed. As a result, the building received rather mixed reviews from the global community. While it was recognized as stunning and one of the best constructed in 2012, there were hints of some Eastern extravagance. Tianzi translates as Son of Heaven, which is an appropriate name for an extraordinary building in the Chinese province of Hebei. Tianzi Hotel stands out against the backdrop of a huge number of city high-rise buildings. The structure takes the form of a giant statue, 3 old men in colorful clothes that functions as a hotel. The men are reminiscent of 3 Chinese gods from the Ming Dynasty. Each deity represents an attribute essential for a prosperous life. On the left stands the figure of Shou, the furthest one. Cheerful, white-haired, holding a staff in one hand and a peach in the other, Shou is associated with longevity. His celestial symbol is the South Pole, traditionally believed to control longevity. In the middle stands Fu, adorned in red, associated with Jupiter and good fortune. On the right is the farthest figure Lu. This green deity symbolizes prosperity, influence, and rank, particularly that of a governmental official. The best room in the hotel is situated within the Peach of Immortality, held by the white-bearded god Shu. The Guangzhou Circle is a structure that stands as the tallest circular building in the world. The Chinese also refer to this building as a giant donut. It is situated in the Chinese city of Guangzhou along the Zhujiang River. It missed the skyscraper status by only 12 meters. Its height reaches 138 meters, and the diameter of the inner ring measures 48 meters. Guangzhou Circle spans 33 floors with a total area of 85,000 square meters. The donut house was constructed in 2013 based on the design by Italian architect Giuseppe Di Pasquale. The total investment in the building's construction amounted to about 1 billion yuan. Guangzhou Circle is owned by the Hongdae Xingyi Group and serves as its headquarters. The new main office of the Guangdong Plastic Exchange, the world's largest plastic raw material trading center, is also located here. The lower floors of the building house a 15,000 square meter shopping center. The central floors are dedicated to offices, while the upper floors house a 7-star hotel. The centerpiece of the building is the vast hall of the Plastic Exchange, covering 2,200 square meters and situated directly under the inner ring of the structure. The Sheraton Huju Hotel is located in the Chinese city of Huju, to the south of Taihu Lake in the northern part of Zhejiang province. The resort hotel houses 282 luxurious rooms, 39 hot spring villas, 2 super luxury presidential villas, as well as a spa villa that offers guests a choice of 5 different spa experiences. The design of the complex is based on the concept of unity and infinity. At night, the ring reflects in the lake and appears as a full luminous moon. Unlike traditional glass facades and reflective screens, which often require forced air conditioning, the design of the Sheraton Huju Hotel uses reflective screens that reduce the need for artificial cooling. The building shape itself provides shading for all balconies and promotes natural ventilation. Ultra-transparent glass ensures maximum access to natural light in interior spaces, eliminating the need for additional artificial lighting during the day. This not only conserves energy, but also creates a pleasant atmosphere. In the Chinese city of Suzhou, a skyscraper was constructed that was intended by its creators to resemble the Arc de Triomphe in Paris. However, the local residents dubbed the new construction trousers. The new building, named the Gate of the East, has 74 floors and reaches a height of 300 meters. Its construction cost $700 million. The skyscraper's design was developed by the British architectural firm RMGM. According to the author's concept, the skyscraper was meant to symbolize the gates to the east and represent the triumph of Chinese civilization, showcasing China's significance in the modern world. Despite the architect's efforts and the builder's impressive precision in realizing their vision, the overall appearance of the skyscraper turned out quite strange. It seems to many Chinese that the skyscraper aspiring upwards is very similar to men's trousers. The incredible futuristic building of the Opera House in the city of Harbin, located in northern China, was constructed in 2016 according to the design by MAD Architects Studio. The Grand Opera House was built on a plot of land covering around 180 hectares with an astonishing surrounding landscape, also crafted by MAD Architects Studio. As if created by wind and water, the futuristic facade of the building seamlessly blends with the natural environment. The architects aimed to create a cultural center of the future that would integrate people, art, and nature. The exterior of the building is made of sleek white aluminum panels and reflects the rolling landscape of the surrounding area. Once in the majestic lobby, visitors notice the glass walls, intricate ceiling, and unique wooden staircase design. The wood motif extends into the concert hall itself, where it adorns the main theater stage and the audience seating. An observation deck has been created at the top of the complex, and a beautiful park surrounds the building. The Galaxy Soho complex is located in Beijing, China. It is a bold, astonishing, and monumental project brought to life by the British architect and designer of Arab origin, Zaha Hadid. She created 4 elliptical towers made of glass panels and shiny aluminum. All the structures are linked together by a network of bridges and platforms that give the appearance of a continuous building. The construction process took 30 months from 2009 to 2012. The building occupies an area of 47,000 square meters. The 67-meter dome structures have rounded inner floor levels, and the 4 domes together form several enclosed inner courtyards and atrium with galleries and balconies. The Galaxy Soho complex resembles a space station from science fiction novels, not only on the outside but also on the inside. The glossy finish of the walls is enhanced by the lighting installed along the length of the ceiling. Floor-to-ceiling windows provide an incredible panoramic view of the opposite dome's inner facade and the internal courtyard. The National Center for the Performing Arts is located in the heart of Beijing, near the Great Hall of the People. The theater's premises cover an area of 118.9 million square meters. The total area of the center's grounds amounts to 217.5 million square meters, including 46.6 million square meters of underground parking space. The main building has a distinctive shell shape, the only one of its kind in Asia. The height of the theater's main building is 46.68 meters. The external surface of the theater is covered by a dome made of glass and titanium. This unique architectural feature is composed of 18,398 titanium plates and 1,226 pieces of super white glass. The building is surrounded by an artificial lake. The architect's task was to create a distinctive design that would be as iconic as the Sydney Opera House. The Opera Hall accommodates 2,398 spectators and hosts performances by renowned opera artists from around the world. The Theater Hall, as the name suggests, hosts theatrical performances and various shows. Every year, China astonishes the world with something new and intriguing. It can be unusual architectural buildings, enormous amusement parks, or astonishing bridges. And it was precisely in the Middle Kingdom that the largest single building in the world was erected, located in the city of Chengdu. The multifunctional complex New Century Global Center was constructed in 2010. The idea to make it so grand arose due to the city's population of 14 million people. The building's height is 100 meters, 18 floors, width is 400 meters, and length is 1.5 kilometers. The center's construction used only glass and metal. Inside there are all kinds of shops, boutiques, offices, conference rooms, several hotels, a cinema, as well as Paradise Island Water Park with its own artificial beach. The New Century Global Center fully lives up to its name, serving as an example of the world's finest architectural solutions. Phoenix Island is an artificial island located in the Chinese province of Hainan. Currently, it stands as one of the expensive areas within the province, hosting luxury apartments and modern skyscrapers. In 2008, the Olympic flame began its journey from this island, becoming a symbol of the island and marking the start of constructing a place for luxury vacation. One of the island's highlights undoubtedly includes the unique hotel buildings situated on it. Resembling a cluster of sailing boats, these spherical totems are the work of Chinese architect Mei Yansong of MAD Studio. The complex, built on the luxurious artificial archipelago off the coast of Hainan, has been dubbed China's Dubai and referred to as an implacable competitor in the race to become the eighth wonder of the modern world. However, as reported by the media, unfortunately Phoenix Island is rapidly turning into a phantom island, as investors are hastily selling their properties due to economic downturn. Write in the comments which of these unusual Chinese buildings impressed you the most. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Kara Show channel. Also, check out our previous videos. See you later.